Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect the Owlet Smart Sock 3 to Wi-Fi. Begin by confirming that the Owlet base station is connected to a power source and is turned on. The base station functions as a central hub for the Owlet Smart Sock 3, facilitating communication with the Owlet Care app. If you haven't, download the Owlet Care app from the App Store or Google Play Store. This app is crucial for setup and management of the device. When you open the Owlet Care app, you will be prompted to create an account. This account enables you to personalize the settings of your Owlet Smart Sock 3 and receive crucial notifications. Once you have created an account, follow the app's instructions to add a child profile. During this step, enter your child's name and any other pertinent details. Establishing a child profile assists in monitoring your baby's sleep and heart rate data effectively. On your mobile device, access the Wi-Fi settings area. The procedure may vary slightly depending on whether you are using an iOS or Android device. Locate the Wi-Fi settings option within your device's settings menu. Within the Wi-Fi settings, you will find a list of available networks. Search for the Owlet Wi-Fi network, typically identified as Owlet XXS, and the X represent a number. Tap on the Owlet Wi-Fi network to select. After choosing the Owlet Wi-Fi network, establish a connection between your mobile device and it. This step ensures that your Owlet Smart Sock 3 can effectively communicate with your device. Once you have successfully connected to the Owlet Wi-Fi network, return to the Owlet Care app to proceed with the setup process. The app will provide step-by-step guidance to help you complete the remaining configuration. The app will present you with prompts and instructions to finalize the setup process. This typically involves connecting the Owlet base station to your home Wi-Fi network. Simply follow the app's guidance to proceed through these steps. After completing the setup, it is crucial to confirm that the Owlet base station is successfully linked to your home Wi-Fi network. This confirmation ensures your ability to receive real-time updates on your baby's well-being. Should you encounter any challenges during the setup, consult the official Owlet support resources for troubleshooting steps, tips, and solutions. Owlet offers comprehensive support to assist you in resolving any connectivity or setup-related issues. In summary, connecting your Owlet Smart Sock 3 to your Wi-Fi network is a straightforward process that facilitates easy monitoring of your baby's well-being. By following the step-by-step instructions in the guide, you can establish a seamless connection and enjoy the peace of mind that comes within. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.